So all the rafters are up. It is now time to start putting down the decking. And normally you would put plywood down and then put roofing over the top of that. In my case, I want to use as much of milled lumber as I possibly can. So those ends I just cut off, right, this was a tree at one point in time. I say that like you don't know that, but I cut the tree down, I put it on my mill, I milled it. So those ends are basically chainsaw cuts, so they're really uneven. So I make sure that the group of boards I'm going to be working with, I square up one end so that when I come down here, I pull a measurement off that nice square end so they don't mess my measurements up. $79 and a quarter, 79 and a quarter, 79 and a half. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this one here. Sticking with the theme of the building, we milled all this stuff from trees and from the property. Most of this is cedar. We're gonna put the tar paper right over the top of this stuff. You will see this from the inside. The bottom of these boards will be seen from the inside of the building. And it does look very nice. I'm very pleased with it overall. Unfortunately, I had to nail it down. The alternative was using pegs, which so astronomically time consuming, I just couldn't do it. But we did nail this down. Turned out really nice. I'm very happy with it. I'm very glad I went this route instead of putting plywood down, CDX or OSB. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got something out of it. And until next time, thanks for watching.